Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to define marking settings on Advisor stations. The new Marking Settings on Stations feature in Advisor 6 is an advanced new feature that provides the planner full control over the laser settings from the station itself. This reduces human errors and potential damage to the stone, increases productivity of the marking systems, and reduces costs, since less marking systems are required. Let's see how it works. To enable the marking mode on Advisor stations, I will first go into the Options dialog window, then into the Marking tab, and checkmark the Enable Marking Mode on Station option. In this case, it is important for me to add specific inscriptions to the sawing planes so I can better communicate about them during the sawing process with the sawing department. I will hover over the sawing plane, right-click on it, and choose the Edit Saw Marking Info option. A small window will open. Within this window, I can define some of the marking parameters related to the current sawing plane. I will add an inscription to the sawing plane and name it Saw 1. I can also edit the parameters of the second sawing plane by right-clicking on it and choosing the same menu option. For the second sawing plane, I will change its line type to dashed. Other laser markings that you can change in this new window are the Mark This Saw checkbox, which allows you to decide whether or not to mark the current sawing plane. The Mark Saw Full checkbox, which controls the complete and full line of the sawing plane. And the Above, Middle, and Below checkboxes, which allow you to decide the location of the sawing plane marking compared to its width. Note that all parameters which were defined under the new window will automatically be transformed to the Marking tab for any other manipulations if needed. I can now continue and manipulate any of the other Marking tab parameters I wish to change or define. For example, I will also add marking for the QLIT and will also checkmark the cross for the table marking definition. I can now save the stone, and all of the marking parameters which I have manipulated will be saved with the stone's information as well. To use any of the saved stone's marking parameters on any Advisor stations or marking stations, go into the Options dialog window, and under the Marking tab, checkmark the Use Marking Options from Saved Stone option. I will now upload the stone that was created on the station, load it on the marking system, and then go to the Marking tab. As you can see, all settings that were defined on the station are automatically displayed in the Marking tab. Now I need only click the Mark button, and I don't need to define any settings in my marking system. By working in this method, each stone spends less time on the marking system, and I can mark more stones per shift, reduce damage to my stones, and better communicate with the planners. You are now ready to use this great new feature. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.